In order to index your web pages, you need to upload your Google Service Account key. This only allows us to make indexing requests on your behalf, and will take 5 minutes to obtain. Let's begin. Firstly, head to the Google Cloud Console and select a resource from the top left corner. You should create a new project for each website. Give the website a name and press Create. Again, select the resource you've just created from the top left corner. Then, within Quick Access, select APIs and Services. Once that's loaded, click Enable APIs and Services. Within this API library, search for Google Indexing. Then select and enable the Web Search Indexing API. Once the API is enabled, head to Credentials and click Create Credentials, selecting Service Account for the credential type. Within the Service Account details, provide any name and then copy the email address that's generated just below, as we'll need that email shortly. After, press Done. Then, select the service account which you just created and head to Keys. Select Add Key and Create New Key, ensuring JSON is selected for the key type. This will download your service account key which you can upload in our dashboard shortly. Once the key is downloaded, head to the Google Search Console, ensuring you've selected the correct website in the top left. Head to Settings. Then, Users and Permissions. Click Add User and paste the email address which you previously copied. Ensure that you've set the permission to Owner. Once the user has been added, you can head back to the Apttus web dashboard and upload the service key which was previously downloaded. Press Continue, and you'll be ready to start indexing your web pages.